Well, I think one of the common things too is that if someone has to replace a roof, and I just learned this recently. I think I'm not sure we discussed it, but you couldn't get homeowners insurance if the roof didn't have a 5-year expectancy on it. Well, Citizens, a state-backed insurance company, last year says, "Well, listen, if you can replace that roof in 60 days, we can close on the home. You know, you're going to get everything good to go, and as long as you get that roof done in the 60 days after you close, that will work." Well, Citizens recently came out in the past couple of weeks is saying we're only going to give you 30 days after you close to put a new roof on. And after you close, you got to get a roofer out there, you got to get permits. There's a lot of stuff that's got to occur. So I think what's going to happen now is part of our inventory is these sellers who have these homes with roofs. Listen, that's not going to be as attractive to a buyer that has to finance because they may not be able to get insurance.
Blue tarp on the roof, you walk into the property and you see stains on the ceiling, that's a red flag. Usually, what
For
an
sure.
appraiser is going to do is they're going to say, okay, I see stains, could be a roof leak. I'm not a roofer, but I'm going to condition my appraisal to call for you to get a roof inspection. And then that roof inspection is going to tell us, hey, is this roof okay? It could be that they had a leak and there's a stain there, which is just cosmetic, but the repair has been fixed. The roof inspection would tell you that. So so that's so cosmetic stuff is typically not going to be an issue, right? But anything that would affect, and there's these three S's, that the lenders want to know the property safe, sound, and secure. So anything that would make it unsafe, unsound, or insecure is going to be something that a lender's probably going to want to see addressed before they let you close. So what might be something? I mean, what's an example that you can think of, Bill, that would fall into there?